How would you want to go out? Blaze of glory or slow rot? I know what I'd choose. Heck, what is wood smoke if not the triumphant spirit of a tree finally freed from its rooted internment to dance in rhapsodic abandon upon the wind? Anywho, there's 3 different kinds of meat smoking wood: mild, medium, and spicy. Your milds are your fruity trees, apple and cherry, and your, shall we say, softer hardwoods like maple and alder. They can do a fine job of smoking your food, about as good as a chihuahua can fetch a prairie chicken. Now your medium woods are your hickory, oak, and pecan being the milder of the 3. Personally, I don't cotton smoking with anything but oak and hickory. But I'm your basic kind of fella. I don't cotton much. Not even the use of fabrics as verbs. That's a little joke there. Now your spicy wood, well, that's just one tree. Mesquite. Let me put it this way. I say hire the rascal, but don't leave him alone with your valuables, especially your brisket. So there you have it. You can think of your smoking woods like salsa. Not the dance, mind you, I don't know too much about that. The only dance I do know is the 2-step. Step 1, lean against the wall. Step 2, stay there.